Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I am thrilled to bring you today's video. In this episode, I'll be sharing 6 patriotic DIYs that are perfect for beginners. Whether you are a new to my channel or a long-time subscriber, I hope you are enjoying these projects and find them easy to make. I'm a big fan of using items from Dollar Tree, thrift flip, garage sales, and repurposing items. If this is something that you enjoy, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more affordable DIYs to come. And now let's get started. This I bought it at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be hot gluing these bamboo sticks around the frame. I'm going to try to hide the imperfection with this wood filler. I'll be diluting this antique wax with water, and then I'll be applying one coat on the entire piece. These 3 buckets from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and put some jute twine on the lower part, and I will do that to all 3 buckets. And now it's time to decorate it with these berry picks. I'm going to go ahead and also use some Spanish moss and some white flowers. These little buckets turned out amazing, and now it's time to put some hot glue and start gluing them in place. And look at how gorgeous this turned out. I'm going to go ahead and take some jute twine and add a piece right back here and hang it on the wall. And this is it for this DIY. Today is a open collaboration Patriotic DIY, and it is being hosted by Chantel, Crafty Hints, and we have 2 co-hosts, Brenda, Rustic and Lacy DIY, and Amanda, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. I'm gonna make sure to leave the links directly to their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit all of these talented creators for more inspiration. And now let's continue with our next project. I'm going to take 3 of these mason jars and give it 2 coats of white chalk paint. I also have this washi tape from Michael's. I purchased this at a grab bag 2 years ago, and I'm going to start decorating these mason jars. As you can see, I put the washi tape on 2 of them, and then on the 3rd one I have this beautiful ribbon, also from Michaels and also from that same grab bag. And with some hot glue, I'm gonna glue it right down here. And I'm gonna use this for my plastic utensils. You can also use this for floral arrangement. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to take this floral bucket and I'm going to give it 1 coat with this white chalk paint. And this picture frame, I'm repurposing it. I'm going to go ahead and retouch the white chalk paint. And then remember the bucket? I went on and I added this beautiful ribbon off camera and I just glued it in with some hot glue. And now with some more hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on top of the picture frame. I also took 3 pieces of this yarn. I taped it to the table, I braided it, and this will be used to hang it on the wall. And we are almost done with this project. This came out to be so beautiful. I am totally happy with the results of this. If you are enjoying this DIY, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. I purchased several of these candles at Dollar Tree. I took the wax out on 3 of them, and then I went on and I glued all of them together and I gave it 2 coats with white chalk paint. And now for the fun part. I also have this other ribbon as well from the Michaels grab bag. I was so lucky. I purchased this one grab bag and it gave me about 20 different type of ribbons. I was super happy. So these are the ones that I'm using on this video. And I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap them, and these are going to be firecrackers. I purchased these tinsel from Dollar Tree, and this is what we're gonna use for the cord of the firecracker. If you are coming over from one of the other platforms, I am so grateful that you took time of your day to stop by and watch my videos. If you are enjoying this content, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section what are your thoughts about this beautiful DIY. Look at this beautiful napkin. I purchased this at Dollar Tree, and the frame I'm repurposing. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this part right here. This project took probably 5 minutes. All I did was cut the napkin, and then with some Scotch tape, I taped it to the glass, and then I put it back on the frame. Something super easy, and yet it came out to be very pretty. Let me know what you think about this simple DIY. And here is the same technique. I have this frame that I'm going to be repurposing. I'm going to do about the same thing. I'm going to take the same napkin, cut a piece, and put it right on this little window. Something simple, yet again, very elegant. I want to thank you once again for stopping by and supporting my channel. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and comment on the comment section and let me know which of these projects was your favorite. I purchased this garland at Dollar Tree. I'm cutting the flag out and I'm gonna put it right here with some hot glue, and the rest of the garland I'm gonna cut another piece, and that's how I'm going to put this picture frame on the wall. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. Please make sure to subscribe. Don't forget that notification button. Like that, every time I upload a new video, you will be one of the first ones to be notified. And I will see you in my next video.